It is 7:14, and right now there are nearly 100,000 customers in southeast Wisconsin waking up in the dark. That's according to We Energies. Brendan Conway from We Energies joins us live now. And Brendan, thanks so much for joining us. I know it's a very busy time for We Energies and your crews out there. First, I want to ask, what is the course of action as you guys wake up this morning, kind of post-storm? What are you looking at right now?
Yeah, so we haven't stopped since the snow first started falling. We've restored power already to more than 100,000 of our customers. But as you mentioned, we still do have tens of thousands of customers that are out. We worked through the night. We're bringing on new, fresh resources today. We do have some good news in that we're getting extra resources from the north. Luckily, some of the other parts of the state weren't hit as hard as we were. So some other utilities and some other contract crews are able to come down and help us. But we do know it's going to be a long day. And so we just appreciate our customers' patience as we have all of our full resources, the men and women out in this really cold, really difficult weather.
Looking at the We Energies power outage map, right now the most customers being impacted are in Waukesha with just over 41,000 customers there without power, 38,000 in Milwaukee. How do you guys assess which areas to go to first when you talk about restoration?
Yeah, well, first of all, every area gets, restoration efforts full and complete. I will say, like right after a storm, we're always going to focus first on emergency issues. So if there's downed wires that are impacting potential life safety, that is always going to get a priority. And then we actually just start to figure out, okay, if it's a police station, hospital, those are going to take priority. And then we just start getting the biggest chunk. So if we can throw one crew and they're going to restore power to 2,000 customers, it's going to do that and then work our way down. That does mean sometimes if you're that one customer who's out of power, you may be kind of at the end of the line. It may take longer to get to you. It doesn't mean we're not going to get to you. It doesn't mean we've forgotten about you. But we really do focus on first critical public safety and then the biggest bang for our buck, as you might say, with our resources.
If people are waking up this morning and they're in the dark, they're likely seeing this interview if they're watching us on social media or they're watching us through a stream and not actually their television. What can they do right now if they are without power?
So make sure you've reported your outage if you haven't already. That way we can, update you individually on when we get more information on your power outage. But also just, have some patience. Hopefully you have an emergency kit. If you're in a critical situation where you need power, you're worried your house is getting too cold, you can go somewhere else. But all we can do at this point is just let you know we're throwing all these resources at it. And be patient. We really are going to get to everybody as soon as we possibly can.
And we know there are a number of warming centers, at least 5 of them open around the clock in Milwaukee for folks who do need some warming resources. And Brendan Conway from We Energies, thank you for your time this morning. And thank you to your crews who are out there working to restore power to so many across our area.
Thanks, Sharon.